Yo guys, so Ghana. Ebusia, come with me, come with me. Before I tell you what is going on, but more than say you subscribe to this YouTube channel and comment below. Send a better video before fra. Wosu ubenya bi share. Dr. Ei CHUKUDE ni ho aba sem ebusia obebisa se di asem. Yes say only Turkish ni bi ekoye business bi. Na business omo ye no we ntiaka. Hey, abakede. When tiaka o we chiebi na sekana aka no eye ni aka no 200 plus. Ebusia edoson. Ya bra kwekwana ene interview Turkish man no any other issues or kika any ade. Ose bisa one or two questions say John Ejekunkufo aso ebra na wife no wu ye no obisa question say this so-called Inbo man obre usikabi afensu na do danko ekufo ado ye bra kofian anan ebisa question enu so bisa say ubana ni fiancé in Nigeria ni no aso ono nso is she facilitating Nigerians from getting Ghana passport? These are some of the questions we are looking for answers. And then Ebrano Koshia John Mahamano. Also, we are asking, what was the transaction? Ghanaians have a lot of questions to ask. Anyway, I wouldn't want to waste much of your time. Yebra Kweku has set the ball rolling, and I will just give us all the time so we can listen. Please listen to the end, and you have more information with respect to who we are dealing with. Listen to the latter point of this message, and you know that Ghana ya na deal with ebe mini enti sensu ebe mini enti sensu yenye very careful. We'll be right back. You go tie no.
Okay, so yeah, take it up na yen intem. So
yensa ka document miensa.
Good. 3 different documents. The agreement, a bank statement, then an invoice. So I will first go through the agreements, then we'll proceed from there. Okay. Now, can you walk us through gradually?
Share letter no cry na only like ni WhatsApp messages na dey top a obehun bibi a kire se akwa no onim no ye. Yenko ti message name bra.
One other company by name Chibet Group of Companies, which is the company that belongs to Mr. CHUKUDE.
Okay.
So the agreement was signed. So let me read the entire thing. So this agreement is entered into effect on the 22nd day of September 2015.
Good.
Between Juliana's V Tourism San TIC Limited, Party A of Kamapasa Ma, then somewhere in Istanbul, Turkey, represented by its manager, Mr. Mehmet Kehan, and Chibet Group of Companies, Party B, of house number 2020 American House, East Legon, Accra, Ghana, represented by its manager, His Royal Majesty Eze Dr. Ambassador CHUKUDE the First, Ihinetu. 1. Subject to the terms and conditions of this agreement, Party A hereby covenants with Party B on the supply of porcelain and ceramic tiles from Turkey to Ghana for a period of subject to renewal. 2. Purpose. It is agreed that the Party A ships 5 containers of products with the correct specification to Party B.
Okay, so
of the product to Party B.
Okay.
Then 3. Payment. It is also agreed that Party B receive these containers and make payment of products 60 days after bill of loading. Revolving credit in this case refers to paying an account the sum owed by Party A by Party B. 4. Terms. Party A, in reference to this agreement, must ensure that all products sent to Party B are expressly agreed in terms of quality, color, size, quantity, and other specifications required by Party B by order. 5. Conditions. During the term of this contract, both Party A and Party B will keep to the timelines expressly agreed to, supply and pay for the products respectively. 6. Information exchange. The Party B is required to provide written reports on a consignment basis in order to provide the necessary information that Party A requires on each consignment. Party A is also required to provide an up-to-date consignment-specific description of the products that are to be shipped 3 days clear before the written information.
Contract agreement between
7.
Mr. CHUKUDE
Both Party A and B have equal right to terminate this agreement, but subject to a 3-month advance notice. 8.
Ceramic styles
governing law, the international trade
Turkish.
law.
I understand.
In witness
whereof 17
the undersigned have executed this agreement.
Let's continue to
as
listen.
part
It's a
of the
lengthy
day
one, but I want you
first
to pay
written
attention
above
to it, because
the parties
this is
here
the only
to
way by
agree
which
that
you understand
first
what we are dealing with as a
signatures
country. Without
shall
listening to all
be
this
as
as a country,
effective
we will never
as
understand
if
who we are
originals
dealing with. And I
by
believe that
Mehmet
national
Kian,
security will be taking note. Let's go.
Then the other person that signed is Chibet Group of Companies. Witness.
So the Chibet company belongs to
Chibet companies belongs to CHUKUDE.
I see.
Yeah,
Now, the problem I had also here is these messages that are being read, or this letter that are being read, it sounds very, very clear and has some terms of law and some terms of, let's say, judicial English or words in it. So I asked myself a question: why can't the guy in question didn't take this man to court? Because he's been in Ghana for so long, he can come and file his court case in Ghana. Anyway, let's continue to listen.
Second 5 containers, and the third 5 containers.
All making how many containers?
17 in total.
17.
Yeah.
That the Turkish partner shipped to CHUKUDE, correct?
Yes, please.
I see. Go,
so the total amount involved is $284,196.20.
Wow.
Then there has been some payments. In 2016, $18,500 was paid. On the 2nd of April 2022, $5,000 was paid. And 1st June 2022, $10,000 was paid. So total payments is $33,500. It means that the remaining amount to be paid is $250,692.20.
And then, the rest?
Yeah. So that's the amount involved, and then the amount that has been paid.
I see.
Yes.
And this transaction, if per what we have perused, is about 10 years down the line and still counting, correct?
Yes, please. Because the agreement was signed in 2015.
Wow.
Yeah, September 2015.
Yeah.
Yes.
Folks, okay, yeah.
The last document is just an invoice that was sent from Juliana's. So that is all it is.
That may not be really necessary, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. Guys, so what my executive producer just read a while ago, gone past, it's an agreement between the two parties. So it isn't that, what's his name? Mamet Kayan just woke up and said, CHUKUDE, I want to do business with you. No. Folks, before the commencement of the business was what? An agreement signed between the two parties. And we just read agreement.
Now, guys, I believe strongly that this guy in question, before signing the agreement like our brother is talking about, might have checked the background of this CHUKUDE guy and might have seen that he's been living in Ghana for so long, and that is why he wants to do business with him. And I believe strongly that he has paraded himself to be a very nice person with a lot of powers in Ghana. Otherwise, I don't think that this kind of consignment will be shipped to him. I'm still thinking, and when I'm doing this reaction on this video, I'm still wondering, because I really want to know what's going on here. It is very, very important we all put ourselves together into this situation. This is a business transaction that actually went wrong. And to me, I feel like if this guy have used Ghana to benefit, if this guy have used Ghana to transact any business in these regards, and Ghana's name is being entered into this particular situation, then the government of Ghana need to come in. The last time I was checking, the world most scammed
the Turkish
countries in the world. Okay.
No, before my board, Mami Kinka message me. Let me the audio. Yeah, the video number. God. Now let's go through the messages. He begins with, I say, good evening, my brother. How are you doing? And your family. CHUKUDE talking here. Now, Mamet, the Turkish guy, responds, you aren't, take serious to me. Then CHUKUDE come and say, please, don't say like that, my brother. Then the Turkish man comes. Why haven't you sent my money? For 4 years. This was then some period gone. Oh. Now listen here. CHUKUDE come or say, good evening, my brother. To make fun of, I will take my money. Now the Turkish man is talking. I'll say, to make fun of, I will take my money. I will never give up. Then CHUKUDE comes. I'll say then, by the grace of God, I will pay you very soon. And a Turkish nini samba will say, sorry, 5 years? Do you believe? I feel Turkish nini bisana semo 5 years about untiae scano. Okay, now Turkish nini samba will say, are you kidding me? You are a liar. Or so you're truthful. And or to us, or no CHUKUDE will say, please, how? I feel Turkish nini samba will say, where my money? 6 years. What problem? Enough. Every time lie. One day, you wait. Son of person come. Afi CHUKUDE san by or say, please, I am not a liar, my brother. Afi not Turkish nine who say no. The only yeni na yen tro 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, and tron. Or say 6 years, how not lie? Afi yemra Turkish nini to us or say, you have no pride, you are not honest. CHUKUDE be answer or say, it's not true, my brother. Or say, true. If you send $1,000 every month, it's been 6 years. You didn't owe anything. You don't have a face. Now, so person say 6 years ni say no wo tue sika no kra 1,000 cedis kra na to betimi atue wie. Wo hu kwan odi obi a business partner then a faso. Ghanaians, we are stripping this guy naked so well for you to know the kind of a Frankenstein monster we are sitting on here in this country. Now, Onu CHUKUDE about say, okay, my brother, and a Turkish nation to us say, what is okay? Where is the money? And Osambe to us say, you are not a businessman. Every time lie, I want my money. CHUKUDE Sambayo say, please don't call me a thief, my brother. I am not a thief. It was a bad business that caused the delay in payment. The goods you gave me was bad and expensive to sell. Now he started shifting the goalposts. Said no. Onu in your mana ya debra no nya nyama papa. Mohu otrofo. Now tie. Turkish nini samba say, I will come to you with the police, the prosecutor, the lawyer, and the counsel. And all the twice with cheat. Afi CHUKUDE samba ya or say, oh, okay, for what? Obisana sem. Or say, wait, your luck. Or say, wait, you look. You owe. Oh, say Turkish for ninte brof na papa ninte ne brof no na ibi or say clear enough. Afi osambe twa so how say seriously insulting you is very normal. You deserve it. And a Turkish name to us or say I will make you regret. You will beg me. You will see. Wait and you will see. And a CHUKUDE bet to us or say you are always insulting me. I don't like that. How much do I even owe you? You must stop this nonsense. CHUKUDE na eka sa Turkish no. So then sika sen kra na odeneka. Meanwhile onima amount a odeneka for. Can you imagine? Here, now Turkish Nini Saba or say, shameless. You will see, I will take my money from you. The thief. And the CHUKUDE respond and say, I don't reply you because you always insulting and you know what I am not. You know I am not a thief. So beautiful the way you talk to me. And a Turkish neighbor to also say, you obtain me. You have always played theater for exactly 6 years. You will pay my money. CHUKUDE and here can say no. Now Turkish neighbor to us also say religion, faith, or what? Character. Next say one can say usunu buying it is saying we nipa buying. Now the Turkish guy got alarmed. CHUKUDE responded or say good evening another time or say good evening my brother. How are you doing and your family? Don't worry, I will pay you very soon. Based on our calculations, what I don't like is the way you insult me. You have to stop it, please. Good night, my brother. And I can't actually Turkish. Then the Turkish guy comes back to say what? Thank you so much. Thinking that he's going to pay the money. Then the Turkish guy comes back to say, I need to pay the court and the creditor. Do not wait. Please help with understanding. I have been waiting for what? Years. This text message means he said, Turkish ninu ni kurom ho. Ya jene dying, ya jene cars. Ye ton ye de different cost. As far as what supply CHUKUDE items. Tier CHUKUDE answer the man. Or say, oh my God, my dear brother, please believe me, I can't pay anything now. But the end of this month, I will pay you. And a Turkish nene to us or say, I am going to have a lot of difficulties. I don't know what to do. Then CHUKUDE comes to answer or say, oh my God. Then he comes back again with another time. He comes back and says what? Good morning, my dear brother. How are you doing and your family? Yes, I know, but I am waiting for some money. Don't have it yet. By the grace of God, before the end of this month, now folks, listen to this one too. Before the end of this month, I would get the money and pay you. Good night, my dear brother. And Odini Siho, then the Turkish man comes back to say, I need to pay the court and the creditor. Do not wait. Please help with understanding. I have been waiting for years till the answer CHUKUDE gave it to him. Oh my God, my dear brother, please believe me, I can't pay anything now. But the end
Ebusia, me mpese me kasa bebre ba messages no wakakra messages wakakra. In a nutshell, no, Mr. CHUKUDE is playing games with the Turkish guy because he knows that Turkish nino ewo Turkey. Na ont mimba. Me pese one kasa share top side of the message. Watch your king Ghana. Watch your king what? Ghana. King. And I watch all. No. Now I want you guys to keep listening to our brother Anan. Okay? Wekwanan. Whilst he keep reading. It is very, very important you listen. Messages the one that fascinates me is the guy coming to the studio, and we are moving closer to that side. I wouldn't want you to spend much of your time listening to all this. It's the same message back to back to back, telling him you pay the money every time he has a plan to pay, every time he has a plan to pay, every time he has a plan to pay. And this is a typical of somebody who don't want to pay your money, to be honest with you. But Modian said you subscribe to this whilst we move on. Many are the things that are coming and will bring you more going forward. It is very important that we put it in perspective.
Everybody, okay.
And
inshallah,
honestly,
it's 2 4 years now. We thank God. Take Allah. Inshallah, business not good at all, not good everywhere, bad, not good. But we thank God, inshallah. Inshallah, by the end October, inshallah, I will send you. I'll make transfer for you. Some transfer, not all. Inshallah, October ending. Okay. God bless you. Assalamu alaikum, Kayan, my brother. How are you? Happy Sunday to you and to everybody in the house. I greet you. Kayan, inshallah, end of January 2022, end of January, I will start paying you money small. Okay? Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. My brother, how are you? I have my customer that gave me check. The check we clear on 28th of this month, January. Inshallah, as soon as the check clear, then I communicate you. You give me your account, I send you money. Okay? God bless you. Hi. How are you, Kayan's son, and how are you, Mr. Kayan, and your family? I received your message. Kayan, yes, I told you by end of January, but the check that was issued to me for 28, the check was bounced. So I couldn't raise money to send to you. So I beg of you, give me to the end of February. I will send money to you. Okay? God bless you. Bye. Good morning, Kayan, my brother. How are you and the family? Happy Sunday. Kayan, don't worry. Everything will be fine very soon. Okay? Hello, my brother Kayan. How are you doing? I'm in the vehicle going for a meeting. I'll call you when I get home, okay?
Shasa wacho king Ghana. And some Fusa who made him a king in this country. That's there. I don't want anybody to say, Kweku, you've cooked these messages. No, these are messages coming from him. And I dare him, he should come and confirm or deny this. How can you portray yourself as a king in a sovereign nation called Ghana? How? Guys? Well, quick. A brother of this Turkish businessman. The Turkish businessman or Turkey says yeah. But because of say, the Frontline show are picking this issue up. The younger brother has quickly landed here in Ghana and want to share with us the story. The businessman or ne CHUKUDE kwaye business or didn't kwaye business. Your friend Mamet Kayan. But my brother, what joining me tonight? Your friend, I don't know if I'm getting your name right. Bahatin. Bahatin Agbaba.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I'll stay with the Bahatin.
Bahatin.
Bahatin. Okay. Great. Bahatin. Good evening. Thanks for joining me. Can you speak my language?
Kakra.
Give me the phone. Good. So, your brother Mamet has gone through, and I'm shocked to hear that this whole business is 10 years.
10 years going. 10 years going.
And still counting.
You say normal, Senate 17 container.
17 containers.
17.
Wow.
He told, today 4 days going. I'm going a house, this Nigerian man house.
Wow.
Yes, I'm going there. Kayhan, my brother, told 17 container I'm sending it you. He told no. Oh, you send it 15 container.
Oh, he's disputing the 17.
Yes.
But you have everything on paper, isn't it not? You have agreement.
I have agreement, everything. He told 15, me told okay. You 15 container money pay, it's okay.
Huh?
Yes, 2 container leave it. You 15 pay.
Hey.
Take it how much? $2,000. Take it, put it here, look, put it. Oh, Baha, you just want to take it, you send it to brother. Me told how I'm sending it, $2,000. I'm coming today, $265,000. How now you give it me $2,000, send it to brother.
This is incredible.
I'm come out. Yeah.
So, it's been back and forth for 10 years, still counting.
Yes, after what say there,
Or you go court, you go police, you go lawyer, you go away. Me say Jimmy, okay, no problem. And no scale court, no scale police, no scale anybody. Why? Me no answer. You the one you talk to me.
Wow.
Now you have all document, all message, everything, phone inside. Now that you told, oh, you go away. Okay. Now they go away.
This is serious. But first of all, let me get this straight. Because I read something in the message, and it does appear your brother Mamet Kayan.
Yeah.
Would you confirm that his house and some other stuff have been confiscated?
House sell it.
Oh.
4 house.
4 houses?
4 house, 3 car, all sell it. He now go stay rent. There's no possible. You go rent house, you have money.
He has gone to rent.
Yes.
Your brother has gone to rent now. His house has been sold.
Now his safe number no use it. Wife number use it. Why? People no good talk to phone. He borrow, too much borrow.
Oh, he borrowed money from
borrow,
the Turkish
borrow.
bank.
After that one, Thai Senate, Senate, I'm now money. Money no Senate. Nigeria money Senate, he there, people money pay. This how sell it. Turkish house cheap. How sell it? Small money. I pay it.
Wow.
Now this Nigeria man no pay. He phone off it.
Really?
Yes, he now I'm not calling. I'm calling wife. I'm not calling. He number off.
His phone is gone down. It's turned off.
No, number off it. No own
his
it.
phone.
Different
off.
people calling, sorting. He told why you take it my money. You give it me my money. He then now off it phone. Close. Only wife phone. Use it calling me.
Wow.
Yes. I did, but see, now I'm 15 years, I'm Ghana inside.
Huh.
15 years. Never, I'm one Ghanaian, I'm cheating, never, I'm no good do it this Ghana country.
But, Bahatin, has this matter been reported to the police?
I'm not going anybody. Now I'm start, I'm going.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
So now I'm start, I'm going police, I might have lawyer, I might have plenty of friends.
Yeah. But he also said in a message that he's selling his house and other stuff. Do you believe that?
I'm no believe. I'm going 2 times, I'm going house. Never sell it house. You go see Oblate in Nigeria, people are sitting there.
There are lots of Nigerians
yes,
sitting there. You saw them?
Yes. Oh, is there? Nigeria. No one Ghanaian inside city.
What? First of all, let's understand this. What's made your brother Mamet to believe in CHUKUDE,
you see,
to be a good businessman or a credible businessman?
Okay. You see, my brother, no one is Ghana. One, my country, one friend. This one, not too much stay my country.
I see.
Now Ghana inside. This he calling my brother, Mehmet Kayan, Tolo, this chief, Nigeria guy, Tolo, come together, make it business.
I see.
He they told, okay. He take it, go Thai's company, something small money you pay. After you take it, bring here, sell it, you go money, pay back.
Okay.
Now this one Thais come there, Nigeria man, no send it money. After this Thai's company come, told my money. He sell it house, sell it car, or sell it. Not enough. Not enough.
So then, if I get you clear, your brother started doing business with him bit by bit by bit. Oh, okay.
Yes.
But I'm sure your brother didn't know that he was luring your brother into a bigger business, and then that would have been the end.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Guys, this is quite disturbing and very troubling. Trust me. A whooping sum of $260,000. It's gone. And it doesn't make sense to me that now his brother is here to take the money. he goes to CHUKUDE's house, and all that CHUKUDE can offer for, the next payment is $2,000. For almost 10 years now. And for me, with what we are picking, this is a developing story. I'm going to give you more angles to it in the coming days. Everything points to the fact that CHUKUDE is not ready to pay this money. Because 10 years, if this money was to be locked in a bank, I'm sure the interest on this thousands and thousands of dollars would accrue, quite a significant, amount of money. Now, the business partner, Mamet Kayan, has lost 4 houses and other stuff. 3 cars.
Yeah.
Does your brother has children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
Are they still going to school?
Yes, go to school.
Wow. So, the last time you went there and he gave you the $2,000, what was the next promise that he was going to pay?
Next promise, August 28. Told another something payment. This is not small something you payment doing
so
it me.
Virtually, it looks like he has virtually destroyed your brother's capital.
Now you see this, take it. This money now 10 years going. This one 10 years inside. You pay maybe 10,000, 20,000. Now 10 years inside. Long time finish.
Exactly.
Now you take it. This one $2,000. 10 years going. You $2,000. You give it. No.
Bahatin, where you sit, do you think he's going to pay this money, or it's all about promises, and then it's going to end up being lying?
No. Only lying.
What's your faith?
Only lying talk. Only promise. Oh, next month you come and pay you. Next month another you come and pay you small. There's no small matter. No pay. Now 2,000, 4 days going, 2,000. Take it, give it me. I'm not take it. Now till 28, me told okay, 28 I come. How much you pay me?
28th of this month.
This month, 28 August. Me told I'm coming. How much you pay me? Oh, you know what? I'm something pay you. Me told okay, you 65,000. You pay me. Oh, too much. What too much? Now 265,000 you borrow. 10 years going. Now you told 1,000, 2,000, and what? You see my brother? Now he scale go out. Why scale go out? Borrow people. My country there, and I know power. One person borrow, one person as I come. Something do it you. No good, something do it you. Yes.
So, as we speak, do you know the whereabouts of the goose that your brother sold to him? Do you know where the goose are? And what were these goose that your brother sold to him?
See, everything he payment to it. Shipping Ghana. Shipping Ghana, shipping money that he paid. Kaihan, my brother, he's paid.
He paid.
He paid.
The shipping.
Yes.
Oh,
come there. Nigeria man told, remove it and pay you maybe 1 month, 2 months inside time you money pay. In a way. 10 years.
But like my question I ask you, do you know where the goose are? Has he used the goose, or the goose are stuck somewhere?
Oh, told me 5 containers sent it Kumasi.
Oh, he sent it to Kumasi?
Yes.
I said 5 containers out of the 17.
Yes.
Okay.
And I left 12 container. 12 container there, maybe gone. Now sell it. Me told okay, show me. No show me.
That's not shown you yet.
Tomorrow
because
show me.
What we read in the message, if the remaining goods are there, he should show you.
Yeah, sure.
So that at least it will indicate that, oh, yes, he's making preparation to, but you have not seen the goods yet.
No, of course. No. No, show me, Miss Anna. Oh, okay.
This is very shocking and very interesting.
Yeah.
If somebody tells you that this man is a fraudster or he's a liar, would you say none of the above, or that is exactly what you say?
You see, every time line talk, you go in there. Now my brother, many time message said it. This I know. I go in this business inside my brother business. Now my brother make it business. I know go business inside. I'm go my different business.
Yeah.
You say I'm coming to Ghana. I make it my business. Restaurant business, farm business. And my business different. He business sell ties, different things, shipping different country. Yeah, not only Ghana.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, he ship it into different
shipping
countries.
different country.
Wow. Wow.
Now believe Nigeria guy is saying it. And you see now Nigeria guy what to? No, only total 300,000. Only 35,000 payment to 2,065 no pay.
Is he the first Nigerian your brother has done business with?
No.
He's been doing business with a lot of Nigerians.
No, that's our first time do it.
Oh, okay.
First time.
But what I want to know is that has your brother done business with another Nigerian man before?
No.
Oh, there's a first Nigerian man.
Yes, first Nigerian.
Then I can hazard that your brother will not trust Nigerian anymore.
No.
Including yourself.
He told, I not trust Nigeria people. Nigeria people in me there.
Really?
Ghana.
Oh, here? Before?
Yes. I my Samo, no problem. My worker, make it together business. After taking my test, run away, go. No problem.
In Turkey, does the government of Turkey, have you banned Nigerians doing business, coming there, or you have not?
No.
I think you have a lot of Nigerians there,
yes,
right?
He's there. He's there. Before that, Nigeria inside, my friend, my best friend, opened big one restaurant.
Oh, I see.
Yes, big restaurant. Only 6 months. 6 month time, close. Why close?
Why?
Evening, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 20 people, boy, going, eating. After money, no money. Oh, make it spoil.
Hey.
Yes. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, do it like this. My friend told him, close, go back.
Oh.
Yes.
So the business collapsed?
Close. Look at Dogo. Plenty money put it, big restaurant, nice one. You see, I've Ghana inside, have 4 or 5 restaurants, Turkish, good.
Turkish restaurants?
Yes, it's Ghana inside plenty. Then after Bosphor, Capinto, there's a Turkish restaurant, or big restaurant.
Hey.
Yeah.
This is very sad. In fact, this is very, very sad. And something must be done and done quickly. Yes, something must be done quickly. We believe that the authorities of the state, particularly the Ghana police and other state security organizations, have to come in. You see, this is where, guys, earlier I was saying, people are using the name of Ghana. Then he's sitting on our soil and trying to defraud somebody for want of nothing. 10 years business, the guy is refusing to pay. Now, from all indications and from what the brother of Mamet, Bahatin, is narrating to us, it's so clear, unambiguity, clear, that CHUKUDE is trying to defraud them. There's a clear attempt of defrauding, if not already defrauded. Because then guess what? You do business with somebody, you've signed agreements, all of that. How should you come, you tell them, say, the business went bad. And so because of the business went bad, that justifies your inability to pay him. But then, as far as the clauses in the agreements are concerned, there isn't anything that says if business goes bad, you will not offer the payments of containers shipped to you. And here is another intriguing part. For CHUKUDE to show them the remaining containers suggesting that the business has gone bad, he has also refused to do this. So guys, let's all try to figure out, do a postmortem of the mindset of this guy claimed to be the king of Igbos and using government top officials, their names and whatnot. Did your brother experience, this guy using the name of top officials? That he has connections with all the government officials and all of that. Did your brother tell you that? That the man always says that he has connections. He has connections with top officials in this country.
Yes, every time talking, every time calling talk. He know nothing. Come back talk. Only talking.
When you go...
Alaikum Kayan. How are you, my brother? Hi, madam, everybody, okay? Inshallah, it's through 4 years now. We thank God, thank Allah. Inshallah, business not good at all. Not good everywhere, bad, not good. But we thank God, inshallah. Inshallah, by the end October, inshallah, I will send you, I'll make transfer for you, some transfer, not all, inshallah, October ending, okay? God bless you. Assalamu alaikum, Kayan, my brother, how are you? Happy Sunday to you and to everybody in the house. I greet you. Kayan, inshallah, end of January 2022, end of January, I will start paying you money small, okay? Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. My brother, how are you? I have my customer that gave me check. The check we clear on 28th of this month, January. Inshallah, as soon as the check clear, then I communicate you give me your account, I send you money, okay? God bless you. Hi, how are you, Kayan's son, and how are you, Mr. Kayan, and your family? I received your message. Kayan, yes, I told you by end of January, but the check that was issued to me for 28, the check was bounced. So I couldn't raise money to send to you. So I beg of you, give me to the end of February. I will send money to you. Okay? God bless you. Bye. Good morning, Kayan, my brother. How are you and the family? Happy Sunday. Kayan, don't worry. Everything will be fine very soon, okay?
Great, guys. Ghanaians, welcome back. This is the Frontline Show, Ghana Speaks. This is the nation's biggest investigative magazine show. I am Kweku Annan, the host of this show. Now, tonight, we've been talking to a Turkish businessman who had some, on one hand, did some business with this CHUKUDE guy, and the man has been short-changed, defrauded, complete. Nothing shows that he's going to get the money. Clear. This Nigerian CHUKUDE guy sits here on our soil, proud himself that he's this, he's that, and lying to people his connections within the seat of government. Folks, I've been joined by another man, Frank Ejay. Now, also, a business partner to this Turkish, only Turkish for a business, including this Mehmet Kayani, on a business. Frank also, me pese Frank be cancel. Frank, God. So also only one Turkish for an including Kayan, right?
Kayan ne Bahar, and Oman. Oman de Kra or Ghana or Ghana be 3 days in
I see.
And Bahar so almost be 50 years.
I see.
Wow. To Modoso be brave. Because I say crab ko Kena. Bibia me no mo na ye. And ba ko na ye oil business. Talk dirty oil. Na ya refine there ye crude they are refining their diesel.
I see.
And also no, I'm say coffee macran to Kobokena.
I see.
And back also ba no so no ye build machines their roofing company and how I build small houses.
That's right. Oh, affordable
houses.
I see.
Tienu muna Kayan or Fred Kayan catcher say on fat house and no my de be den e be to dining e de be ya adwuma no.
Yeah.
Now catcher say Ghana for the onjo mundi na me kura na omo ne me ya adwuma no mo hwe yi na o be for do no Ghana ha.
When they come away?
Kayan.
I see.
So omo nje Ghana for ndi ntino or me kura omo ne me ya adwuma mo hwe yi na no ma be for do no Ghana ha.
Okay.
I'm so dey fraud no ma be for do Ghana. Tono no the evidence ni we nyina kire ni nua na de kire me. My business cry is here, no more. And I started that bet. What you train, I no money because of Omusulu say Ghana for Sana so because Omode to my name say, me my own command so. And I'm so information now, Omode not because of minimum into details in me approaching on the Kasai. It always be on the Kasa, not or coming down, Chese, so see Kasan Chese Obetuya. But onye na adwin say obetua metimi kasa che me say microphone no buafu onye bibi because the oil no kra
Nigeria ni no I see
onye bibi because the oil no say me so my nya bibi kra say me dan ne car omo so be gya adwuma me no omo ye no because o meka say bia me no omo ye ba
ai
me kan me ye ya last ye ko no say ma e ko ya $2,000
yeah na but in e ka no nti $2,000 no moje
yanje.
Oh, man, you
$2,000. Answer no Kayansum because I'm a chance on some to one no chance of sending a plan so and so one send it. Busy and until your friend plan a video call no in the casa. You know 2020 and I would give a court and I say I didn't video you know say
why not threaten
Nigerian you know
I see.
Well say me mama one my information be say scan triamo mo na nkrofo take way ama because scanner check na mo pese o medical court ana me so minim say nipa nim wo Ghana anti me pese ya manfo betinti tue sika na ma o kakra kura mpa ya ba ofi akas bebre nipa guo waya we so no kakra we nti o mo ba na o mo hunu sa no man na se wo so waya wadwen se wontua o mo so be hunu se bia wa sheda na
but quick one what could feel how hu the rest of and I say remaining containers na you ship by and say
containers dey according to me share we in there buy and there and the be 3 months kwa na esan ye
and your money na tax
and the be according to no me kasa no o kira me say normal no tax na or request here no bro you need the more they expensive buy Ghana for so you intimi to dey expensive into no
it is necessary on for containers na
otete so e na oton ye nti e ma sika no na bro you need no money buy na bro you need no money buy no ono na rent warehouse na me no me kase na say ye kra no wo mo kra no ma fi China ba no wa na okoto no ma na wa your shipment wa be you duty na wa pe warehouse e dey agum na obi e dey normal blow aye duty bibia ma na wo current house dey agum warehouse wa current no e fa ne ho ben a be kase wo na current warehouse nti na obi business e blow nya wo na ba current warehouse wa kasa bebri ye bibia nche say scan obetua na me kire
as of now no hwe ni o ma e ko na
onye na adwin so obetua
munya report to my police and any of the security agents
and there automatic attempt bebri but me na maka kire o say because of me so ya me need time bebri nti say automatic we kura me na o kasa no we nti me na o be say me time that you say because of mlenti no mama ya ne mind nkasa na won twa but also the area need to say oni bibia de mama no and na the what take go no so no sesie no o hwa no akwa ahokire bebri mu because of normal na the blame mine a huge amount and I will say every month bia every week year bia interest e ba ho no enye easy
Ebusia.
Sisi ano no so tua sa kana
ya otua mu any interest nyina woni password nyina ni say
very sad.
No tia na akatesem kwa.
Now I've actually
guys
lost
this
words
is
right
very
now,
disturbing
honestly.
and
Meaning
very
we can say
very
they have
troubling.
lost words.
Iranum.
But
Yeah, the
if
part 1 we
Ghana
see
Police Service
more to come.
and the CID boss
Ono ankasa
and
kra
the
ya ready
CID
say
department of the Ghana Police Service
Obeba down.
aha
are
obeba
listening.
na so oni obi obi jene
I
chi
think
obeba na
that
obedi ni
this
sika
is
Okay.
something that they
Good
need
one,
to
good one, good
investigate
one.
because this guy,
Bahatin,
Mr. CHUKUDE, aka
Agbaba.
the Igbo King,
Great.
the
What will be your last words?
self-acclaimed Igbo
Then we
King,
close.
is doing so many harmful
Help
stuff
this
by
money,
using the
take
name
it.
of Ghana.
Yes, that's
And
right.
honestly speaking,
Help
you know,
this
saying I
money,
be catching them on.
Good one.
There are so many
take it
things
and send
going
it my
on.
brother, okay?
So many
My brother,
things going on.
some come happy.
And there are
Yeah.
questions
My brother now
that
very
need to be asked.
He's not a
How
happy
no
man.
happy.
the
He's
Nigerians
lost a
in
lot.
Ghana
He's lost his money, he's
getting
lost his cars, he's lost his
every
building.
something
Ghanaian
lost.
passport,
Yeah.
you know.
That's
It is
even now
sad.
you four
It is
house,
very, very
three
sad.
car,
Three
you
cars.
sell it, now you go rent, you sit in.
Oh,
Those are no good.
great. Frank,
Yeah.
they are sent out to the last.
There make can say there cause no aha because you see our issue
But what is a Ghana for you near Bromo person mo pam Igbo for free?
because a hard dream because I say we ni man come show say nkebia normal kura mpo anka yaduma a company kura mpo ya establish say ye ne kese nka normal kura ehia say dia ba nka bedu da but because of that issue enti omodwen say sa na yeso yete me so me Nigeria ni me Ghana ni
Enti just omo de fire
say no money na say sa na yeso yete enti ama de no mo ye nyina omo atwetwe omo ye ade a na obi we Ghana we hana wo ka ho na omo yiwa free
oh no
tie na hard dream because obi nkodi ni bone na onfa mesela ye de a hard dream bebre.
good.
All right, guys. So Ghana for semunyina moti de ekobi asum. Because of these issues, Ninti, if these Turkish guys have plans of coming to Ghana to open other business for other Ghanaians to get even a Johnny Crown be Diana say a Juma Yeninti. Esan say and go for no abedu Ghana or mudi defraud the amount for inti. Obi so maybe bia office Ghana for eye omuyensu ye bokrono. Me say I was checking on the net the 10 most toppest country with scamming history. Opa also Google na he. Countries are omuye scammers pa in the world. Check. Obehu said number 1 Nigeria edenimu. Nigeria edenimu. Bisa who said where is Ghana? Ghana is 3rd. And Ghana for almost coming no. You see bebre girls say gu internet so almost coming a man for say omu ye see. And that is one thing that I understand say Mr. CHUKUDE ya no. Or yebi ogusu yebi. Client ogusu yebi. Guys, this is serious. Let me use this opportunity once again and to invite the Ghana Police Service, the CID, and any other person who is concerned with this matter. The Interior Minister and the Minister of Defense. I know you guys are no nonsense people. Obiya DNA nya, I know say you guys will talk about it. Dr. Omani Buama, any Muntaka Mumbarak, Sam George, any the other strong NDC people, the youth for that matter. Remember, say, most of the people in Ghana, and can youth, no floating voters, no, some of us, we queued and vote because we are floating and we don't really decide where we want to vote until the very day of voting. So we need you guys to act on this matter. We need you guys to help us to clean the system. Ghana is going somewhere. Yansha one day. You better say, aye bibi e woho. Ghana air co. Ghana air co. Ghana air co. Ebusianfo Ghana air co. Yes, re. John Dramani Mahama, please. Yes, re. John Dramani Mahama. Yes, re. Yes, re na yeka. Let me use this opportunity to call on the pastors as well. Archbishop Nicholas Duncan William. I believe strongly, sir, you've heard about this. My own pastor, Reverend Steve Wingham, I believe you have also heard about this. This is not a matter of joke. Let's do our best. Send a beya undocumented foreigners near Ghana no. Yembo Modian say will send some of them back home. Ekanka Nigeria for no mo abegu Ghana bebre egu TikTok. Niama omu kan say Ghana yo mudia. Omo abeji Ghana. Ghana yo mudia. Omo abeji Ghana no. Yemfa mra kwan so. Na yemfansi so omo nyina nka omu kurom. Yenim se ECOWAS ho de. But we will not allow say obiba betan ye kurom na nipa e di bone. Na nipa no yusu Ghana din the Gigi Niamani adie, the Bre government or whatever it is. So we have to do these things and do it more diligently. Honestly, some of us, we are not happy. Most Ghanaians are not happy. And we have to make sure, say, we do what we have to do. Now, before I leave, flyers now air channel, this coming Saturday, there will be a strong walk. A walk to demand that on Omo money documents ewo Ghana no, omo mudi boni no, all of them should be taken back home. Okay? Now, so because this walk and this demonstration and this social media brouhaha no is not working, the person is lying. The National Identification Authority, I understand, say, have also arrested a couple of Nigerians who are trying to register as a citizen. This is what we are saying. Ghana is the only country we have. Wadienche washikoni ejalawaken hawo yenara ya sasini o. God bless our homeland Ghana o. Let's do everything we can to ensure we save Ghana for our next generation. Otherwise, we have foreigners coming in to come and dictate the pace at which we do things in Ghana. I want to use this opportunity once again to caution every politician because I understand, say, former National Security Minister Albert Kandapa has said something about this, and he's supporting this. I'm also calling on every meaningful Ghanaian who show me video now we are Ghanaian Bibiano Mr. On this 9th of July, August 9th, come to Obra Square. We are marching. We want to send a signal. We want to send a statement to the whole world that Ghanaians are getting tired of Nigerians living in Ghana, trying to do all sort of things, using left hand, right hand, doing all sort of evils and scamming people through Ghana. Guys, let's arise and fight. That's ene. Yebeshia. Pia yeko.